Except this is the elevator. Now the fans are started up. Wow. This is at the Springhill Suites in Cary. It's the Kone elevator. This is the certificate. This was installed in 2013. The phone over here. Oh, hi. Here's a view of outside from Cary. It's really foresty. Look at that lantern. Ooh, new button, look at that. And look how slow that door is. Wow. Even slower than Wake Bed. Nice cab here. These are your fixtures. And what's the interesting part is that button's new. These buttons are just regular EcoDisc buttons. It's a Kone. The other was installed in the year I was born in 2014. There it goes. That's it.